F150. That's the plate that the airbag sits on. Looks like I'm going to have to take these two U-bolts out and pull this top bracket off. Then this will bolt down, put the U-bolts back on it, and then mount the bag mount up here to these two holes, and then insert the bag. All right, so this piece goes inside of a hole that's right back here on this side of the frame. You slide it in there and hold it, and then insert your nut. Also, having one of these big clamps helps hold it up there, making this way easier than doing it by yourself. All right, so something I found to make this easier is get you one of these magnet pins. Grab that bracket with the nut welded to it through here, and then you can tighten up this screw. Otherwise, it's kind of a reach to get in there to tighten it down. All right, so I got the top bag mount on. Now here's the lower bag mount. Then these U-bolts. Just slide through it. Okay, I tried mounting the bag in the bracket first and then putting on the air fitting. I don't think that's the best route to take, so now I'm gonna put Teflon tape on the threads. I'm gonna screw this in and then put it back in and tighten it down. I also have Loctite on all the bolts. All right, I'm working on the driver's side now. I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm gonna use this clamp to hold this bracket on. I need to get it lined up a little bit better, and then I'll hold the nut through the hole with a magnet so I can put the bolt through to tighten it up, and then start removing the U-bolts. All right, so once again, I grabbed that nut with the magnet, got this one started. I mean, it makes it 10 times easier doing it this way. All right, so just like the other side, I got this raised part going towards the front. The U-bolt is back on and tightened down. I'll torque it to spec once I got the truck back on the ground. I got the top bracket mounted tight. Once again, Loctite on everything, and I'm about to install the bag. All right, got the bag installed, everything's tight. Got my fitting pointed towards the back. I'm gonna run the air line down and mount it in the bumper.